Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I got a quick open of the Fast and Furious 66 Chevy Nova. Now I've got a bunch of Fast and Furious, as you can see here, all crammed into a small diorama that I've been able to 3D print and print out on my photo printer for that background. They're not going to fit, but I really do like the old school cars. So this 66 Chevy Nova in a gold metallic really caught my eye. Love the artwork on it. This is 4 of 5. I did not pick up the others. The only one I think that I saw there was the Veyron was available. I've got enough Veyrons, and the price of these silver series, yeah, silver series. I'm being very more particular. There might have been a Datsun 240Z custom at one place. I played a bit more where I picked up this, I think, and just, or when I saw that, decided not to get it because I was also picking up a bunch of other stuff. And sometimes you just got to have a budget. But the 66 Chevy Nova, I think, will go well with some of these old school cars. So what have we got? We got a, already shown these off before, Ford Fairlane GT. Very nice. Camaro 73. Oh wow, yeah, okay. In a matte colour, I think that was a villain car. This one was also a villain car. Chevy Impala 66. Very nice. Hang on, you can't see that. Now, I've shown these ones off before. This is another Nova that I've got. And now this is a 1970 Chevy Nova. And we're going for a 66 Chevy Nova. And then the shot up. To be honest, I haven't seen all the movies. I think I gave up on them. And one of the ones I'm very happy with, the Nissan Skyline R32 in black. All right, but I am going to open this one, so we'll have a closer look. Put it on a turntable. Okay, this has really got a decent card to it. So, I'm going to put a hole in it. I don't keep the cards. I'm not going to keep it on card. I've got some that I've put aside for later. I decided not to collect all of them. I like the paint job on this though. Silver Series is good. It's kind of a step above mainline and below premium. Same with price though. The prices are creeping up. So let's say Chevy. Can't tell. Hang on, get it to focus. I think this is actually focusing it. Not sure. Definitely a plastic front though. A silver front would have been nice. Maybe there underneath, yeah, it's a very light plastic colour. Would have been nice if they'd just gone for chrome like they do on so many other things. Actually would have come up quite well. Definitely lowered underneath. Back to front. 66 Nova. Got Hot Wheels right at the back. Copyright 2006, so this one's been around for a while. Actually got the decals at the back as well. Same on the other side, yeah, we did. Okay. Look, I'm happy with that. It will go well with the diorama and set, but I'm going to have to get something bigger or put all the older cars in. Hang on, what are the others we got here? Was this a 70s Chevy SS? Nice. All right, well, I think it actually goes really well with these guys because of association with the old cars, although you can definitely tell, let me get in close for you here, Silver Series with the plastic fronts and the premiums, although this one doesn't seem to have, oh yes, grey, but these are more of a painted front end compared with the plastic. So that's just a little bit more of a disappointment when it comes to the Silver Series, but I'm happy with that. Yeah, Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.